Lesson 5. Using BlankReport and using templates. Part 1. Using BlankReport. Click File, then click New and select BlankReport. In the Available Data Sources pane, click the plus sign to the left of the SQLODBC, type password and click OK. Add the vCars view to the selected tables pane and click OK. In Field Explorer, click the plus sign to the left of Database Fields, click the plus sign to the left of vCars to display its fields. Click the first field that you want to include in the report, and then drag it to the left edge of the Details section. Repeat previous step for any other fields that you want to include in the report. Click View menu and then click Print Preview to display report. Part 2. Using templates. Click File, then click New and select Standard Report. In the Available Data Sources pane, click the plus sign to the left of the SQLODBC, type password and click OK. Add the vCars view to the selected tables pane and click Next. Add all fields to the Fields to Display pane and click Next. Click Next twice. In this dialog you can choose from several templates. Select the block, blue, template and click Finish. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.